curious why you chose this test and if you could tell us a little bit more about how it works and why it's your favorite.
Sure. MAP Growth is an assessment. It's put out by a nonprofit out of Portland, Oregon, NWEA. And the way that MAP Growth works is that it's a computer adaptive test. And so the first time kids test with us, their first couple questions are going to be a little bit easy for their grade level. And then if they get their first couple of questions right, then the questions will get harder. And then if they get a question wrong, it'll get easier, and it kind of goes up and down like that. And the goal is to find the edge of what the kids can do. And it can adapt across grade level, whether they're working above or below grade level. And it can also give kids, within each topic, there are subtopics, and the test will adjust within those. So if you have a kid who is really great at figuring out how to set up math problems and they know how to solve them, but they struggle with computation, the test it'll find that, and it'll give them easier questions in the computation area and more challenging ones in the area that is testing whether or not they know the procedure for solving the problem. And so it gives you lots of great data, and it's only 45 questions a test, and it's really rigorously maintained by NWA. So they're always adding new questions. They're always looking for things to make sure that everything's valid. And they're always improving the norms. So right now we're using 2020 norms, which is pre-pandemic, but it's quite a lot better than a 2002 or a 1970 norm.